Hello everyone, once again. It is Tech from Home, and I'm Rudy with the McAllen Public Library Reference Department. Today, just a quick tutorial, an introduction on Duolingo. Duolingo is a website and app that helps you learn a new language. I know a lot of people come by asking, what do you all recommend on how to learn a new language? A lot of the times books just don't work. Maybe DVDs and CDs don't work. So this is a nice alternative that I always recommend, a resource that I always recommend personally. And it's Duolingo.com. And I'll start off here on the desktop or laptop. And we'll go ahead and just click on Get Started. And we'll see what Duolingo has for us. So it says, I want to learn. And it shows you all different kinds of languages that Duolingo offers. The more popular ones are up at the top, and then the least popular ones at the bottom. And it tells you how many people are learning each language. It even has High Valerian, which is a fictional language from Game of Thrones, Swahili, Klingon, another fictional language. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Italian. Personally, I would like to learn Italian, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Why are you learning a language? It has different options here. I'll go ahead and click on Travel, because one day I would like to travel to Italy. And now it says choose a daily goal, and it gives us different settings here. So if I'm a casual learner, 5 minutes a day, I'll click on Casual. Intense is 20 minutes a day. In this case, I'll just click regular, 10 minutes a day. It asks us, want us to help you keep your goal, your daily goal, and it gives us a couple of options. Right now, I'm just gonna click not now. We'll get to that later. And now it's asking me to choose your path. So if you're brand new to Italian, there's a little egg on the left, you'll click that. Or if you already know some Italian, you can click on the right. And it makes me take a placement test. So I'll go ahead and go through this placement test, and it asks me to write this in Italian. And it checks my answer for me. And it has a little speaker on the left, and you guys will see later that it does read to me sometimes if I ask it to. And now it does make me create a profile. Signing up is easy. It just asks for a name and an email and a password. Name is optional. You can create an account, or you can hook it up to your Facebook or Gmail. In this case, I hooked it up to my Gmail. And it shows me the path I'm going to take. Food, plurals, animals, clothing, questions, all kinds of stuff. It goes really in depth. Which is what I like about it. And now we can talk about how to get it on a smartphone. So you'll go to your app store and just search Duolingo. Should be the very first one at the top. Just look for that green owl there. It gives us a couple of screenshots here. And I'll click on download. And now I have Duolingo on my phone as an app. Very similar to the desktop version. Go ahead and click on Get Started. Shows me the same languages. I'll click on Italian again. Why are we learning? I'll click on Travel again. Asks us to pick a goal. Casual to intense, and I'll click regular. And here's another difference on the phone. It asks if you want notifications. In this case, I'll click allow, but you can click do not allow. And I already know some Italian, so I'll go through there. Now it asks me to take a test.
Tu sei un uomo.
So it does pronounce it for you.
Tu sei un uomo.
And you can click on that little speaker there so you can listen to it again.
Il cuoco ha il burro.
This one, I didn't know what burro was, so I clicked on drink, and it turns out burro is butter. But yeah, it checks your answers for you.
Buongiorno Sofia.
It pronounces it for you as well, and it checks it. And while you're
È
clicking
un
on
uomo.
the words at the bottom, it also pronounces it for you. So that's a quick little demo on Duolingo, a quick introduction. Comment below on what you thought of the video, and if you have any more suggestions on what we should make tech at home videos about, visit our Facebook page, our YouTube page, and be on the lookout for the next tech at home video here in this space. Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your day.